What's going on, everybody? Dan Unfiltered checking out liquid tension experiment. Alrighty. This is Acid Rain live. Let's check this out. This comes from my Patreon. There should be something should be popped up right there to click. If you have any requests, let me know. Edward, appreciate you, man. Liquid tension experiment. All right. Real quick, is that the cup and the bubble? Is that the liquid tension? Is that what that is from school? Like you fill up the cup and you, even though it's full, you can still drop in stuff and it won't spill. It just asking. I could be wrong. Oh. The hell is that? Where's the rest of his guitar? Okay, got some keys. Going in. I don't know, I've always, even since I was a kid, loved when a drummer has the cymbal. You can smash the shit out of it. It adds a great sound. It does. It's so sudden because you can hit it real hard, but immediately stop the sound. Always loved it. Nobody stop him! What the fuck is that? Crazy. Okay, the keyboardist, his keyboard swivels. Okay. A minute ago I thought I was tripping. I was like, am I high? Because his back was faced the other way. I'm like, I could have swore he was just facing that way. But no, we're okay. It swivels. I just saw. But good lord, man, for them not to have a vocalist, you don't really notice. Like you really don't, because there's so much going on, and they change. Like they would just be doing the same riff over and over. Your mind would be looking for a vocalist to come in and kind of like break up the monotony. But nah, especially this gentleman, he's absolutely air frying the shit out of this. Woo! What that man just did, what he just accomplished, has to be illegal in the continental U.S. Lock him up. They're in L.A. Lock his ass up. You can't do that. You can't do that. You can't do that to a guitar, man. Guitar Center will lock you up. Oh, I would love to see that guy do this. Go to a Guitar Center and like act like he's just, I'm just looking around. Try this one out and just do that. Watch everyone's brains just explode out of their ass. It'd be great. It'd be great. Wow. That was crazy. His turn. Careful now. There's no way I'd be able to have my keyboard swivel. Especially with how into it he is during this solo, because he's like leaning on it. Careful there, buddy. Don't it's gonna swivel, you're gonna bust an ass and don't lean. Don't put your weight on it. Is he not tired yet? God damn! Fucking right. See, I saw the drummer like shaking off his hands. No, 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 no. You put in a lot of work too, so do your thing. But no, where's the homie with the long hair, the guitarist? Yeah, I want to see where he's never on stage, so he didn't need to like just shake off his hands. They're probably in a bucket of ice right now. Where's the medic? Do we have a doctor in the house? Like maybe a fire extinguisher on his hand, something that needs to cool him off. I know his tips, his fingers need to be on fire because the friction. That was ridiculous. That was one of the best. That when I made that little guitar snare joke, that little middle portion, his main solo. That's one of the best solos. That might be the best technical solos I've ever heard. Like in terms of just straight difficulty. Because for me, the best sounding solo I've ever heard was Prince live at one of the Beatles died, and they had like a Hall of Fame thing. It's on YouTube, and they had like a Hall of Fame song. They did "My Guitar Gently Weeps." Prince was a guitarist for it. It might have been George Harrison. I think it was George Harrison, but whatever. And Prince, absolutely, he had a solo, and it's the best sounding. Like he made the motherfucker literally like cry. The guitar was crying. Best sounding, but in terms of technical difficulty. That I'd have to think long and hard to think of one that's better than that one. That's right there. It's a 12 out of 10 difficulty. Holy shit. Like if this was Guitar Hero, you're not doing that. You're not beating that. You better put it on easy and let the things come down really fucking slow. If you're going on expert, you're not doing what he just did. Fuck that. He even like waved a little wand thing. Crazy. Good lord. I also want to know how long are their shows? What type of cardio can these men have? Because there was no break time for anyone. Like it was full blown cooking the entire time for all four guys. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let me know what you guys think down below. Hit like, subscribe if you are new. Ed, holy shit, man. Holy shit, that was one hell of a good, especially the guitars, man. Like the keyboard solo, cool. The drummer, he didn't get a solo though, but he did do his thing the whole time. But the guitars, yikes. Yikes.